A new System Diagnostic User Interface feature has been added to John Deere machines equipped with Generation 4 Command Center. This feature is a supplement to the current connected readings. In this video, we will explain how this System Diagnostic User Interface can be used by both customers and dealer service technicians. It can be used to assist in diagnosing performance issues quickly, accurately, and inexpensively. If you do experience a performance issue while on the phone with your dealer service professional, you could be asked to provide diagnostic data information. This System Diagnostic Interface provides one quick and simple area for customers and/or dealer service professionals. Here, one can easily retrieve diagnostic data to assist making necessary repairs. To access System Diagnostics, touch Menu on the Generation 4 Command Center. Touch System. Then Diagnostic Center. At Diagnostic Center page, notice System Diagnostics on the left is already open. If this tab is not open, touch Area to open. We then find a list of systems for our machine. Locate System with Issue by scrolling down through this list. For our example, we open Transmissions. Notice here we have tabs for Switch, Sensor, and Output. We begin on the Switch tab. Here, information is provided showing the type of reverser used, along with the status of the transmission enable signal. On the Sensor tab, we find data from our system sensors in one easy-to-find location. To view additional information, we simply scroll down. Due to the large number of data points displayed at one time, a slight delay in screen refresh times may be noticed. The Output tab provides data points from the output components of this system. This System Diagnostic User Interface is provided so that operators and dealer technicians alike can quickly locate data points in one convenient location. To return to Run page, simply touch the X to exit System Diagnostics.